Hey, it's Clay at claytrader.com. This will be a live trade video where I try to capture some of my trades as they play out live. Very quickly, when I say live, what I mean is that I'm recording myself right now, seeing the information, seeing the data for the very first time. In other words, I do not know what's coming next. So if you are looking for a video where somebody's doing a trade recap or giving you their thoughts with hindsight in their favor, this will not be a video for you. But if you are open to the idea of an unscripted, raw, nitty-gritty look into what it's like to be a day trader and how day trading can play out, then I'm confident you'll find value in this video. So I will go ahead and pause the recording software for now, and I'll be back at the open. All right, I am now looking to do options. So I realize my screen changed, but trade both stocks and options, and I'm looking to try to pick up some puts right now. So I need Tesla stock itself to go up a bit more. All right, that was the move I was originally looking for. So let's go to 18 now. That might have been it. So right general idea that it did want to pull back, but my timing was clearly off, as it is now pulling back here. All right, well, there we have a good example of why trading is hard. I was right that it wanted to come down and pull back, but I'm not making any money from it, because just because you're right about something, you still got to be able to time the entry and get a proper entry on it, which I was not able to do here. But we'll see how this next candle forms. I think this thing has the desire to go down to the 900 mark. But wow, just straight down. Look at that. If it does want to come up to that 908 mark, I'd be interested in potentially trying to play some sort of back test. But wow, does not want to even do that. Well, at this point, maybe looking to hop over here to play calls now. Throw out an order at 21. And if this thing wants to keep on pulling back, try to get filled around 895. But wow, what a turnaround. All right, I will go ahead and pause the software for now. Okay, I have an order at 1750. Let's try to pick up some puts here. It's getting close. Okay, in. Now let's see if this thing wants to come down a bit. And out there for the $500 sniper shot, it is 9:36, 6 minutes into the day. And I'd like to say $500 a day keeps the day job away. So I'm calling it good, and I am moving on with my day. And actually, as I look out my window, very dark clouds. And I'm going to be quiet. Can you hear the rain? I'm going to be quiet for a second. Let me know in the comments section. Could you hear that rain out there? So it is storming. I guess you could argue that I'm being an idiot right now for even trading. With the potential storm that could maybe knock out some power. So with that, hitting $500 in 6 minutes, I am definitely going to call. Ooh, did you hear the thunder? Anyways, okay, well, and I just to answer some questions right now. So let me put it this way. If the video just cuts off, probably because my power went off, but I do understand the question that can get asked. Clay, what are you talking about? The market's only been open 6 minutes. Why don't you keep trading and make more? Good question, valid question. And the reason is I do this as a side hustle. This is a part-time thing for me. I do it as one of multiple streams of income, and I do it not because I want the Ferrari or the private jet or the Rolex watch. Now, if you want those things, cool, go for it. I hope you get them. But for me, father of 5 young kids, working from home, I want the freedom. I want the flexibility of time. That is the main commodity I'm after at this point in my life, is just freedom of time. And if I can put $500 in my pocket after 6 minutes, I am more than happy with that. And I'm going to take that. And again, if you want to keep trading, yeah, you can make more money. Granted, that's a two-sided coin. You could, lose your money too. But like I said, for what I'm trying to do, if I can put $500 in my pocket in 6 minutes, I'm going to take it. I'm going to go on and enjoy life, have the freedom to do what I want to do, right? Whether that's working on real estate investing, hanging out with my family, working on the teaching business at claytrader.com, I mean, it just gives me that flexibility, and that is what I'm here for. That's what I really do enjoy. So I'm going to go ahead and, like I said, call it good. One trade sometimes, that's all it takes, and you can walk away with some very worthwhile money. So everybody take care. If you like these videos, hit that like button, leave a simple comment down below, and remember, have perspective. You don't have to trade a long amount of time to be able to make quality money. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.